So I'm just packing Ava's order with the video I made yesterday. So this is how I had to do it into 2 boxes. So when you open it, it'll look like this. You'll get a beautiful scented rose. These I sell for $15. So this is a freebie just because she's a first customer. But I might include them actually in all my sales. So you'll get a beautiful quality zircon. I think it's stainless steel plated gold. And it comes with a polishing cloth. So that's just to say thank you and a little thank you, and that's my little business card. And so here I've packed some of your items, just the ones that could fit in this tiny little mini case. So the coin purse, one of the freebies, the watch, the sharpener. This was a sticky note freebie, Sanrio, and of course the mini blind box. So yeah, you might look at it and think, well, you know, a sharpener's a sharpener. But you have to remember, like, I can't include all stuff like this, which is a lot more expensive than a sharpener. Do you know what I mean? And to cover the costs of me doing this, because I'm not in China, I'm in Australia trying to double my money, I have to put 1 or 2 items that aren't as great value, if that makes sense, but are still just as cute. And I'm sure they do the same too. If you look at the ones in on TikTok that are doing it from China that are a lot more successful than me, you know, they have headbands and hair ties which aren't that great of value, and then they'll have some really cool like plush toys which cost more. You know, like things like the wallet or, yeah, the drinking cup. So, here we go. So that pops in like that. And then we got your drinking cup and your, Right, so we'll just pop them on top like that. And my little logo. Oh, I need to reorder these. You know, you can order these from Shein. You just upload your logo, and a little trick. I designed my logo on Vistaprint and I took a screenshot of it. And then you just upload that screenshot to Shein and they print a whole bunch of these up. I think I got like 100 for like $8. So just a little tip for you little businesses. And I think I will put that here instead of the inside, I don't know. Alright, so my second box, because I couldn't fit everything, has him, so he might come a little bit squished, but not too squished. There we go. So he's going to be in there. And also the Mickey Mouse. This thing is huge. And the hairbrush and the book. So maybe I will do the opening towards this stuffed toy. There we go. Do it this way maybe. I'm going to fit you in, buddy. I'm going to have to squish you down a little bit. Here we go. I think I will just, oops, sorry. I think I will just stick these two boxes together so I don't have to post them separately and pay double postage. Which is a shame because you could reuse these boxes. I've got an idea how to do it without wrecking the boxes for you so you can reuse them. I will, I've got waterproof waterproof satchels. I'll put them in that and then stick them together like that so you can reuse them. There we go. Done. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot. Lucky I remembered the socks. And since I'm back, I thought I will film all of it. Why not? Might as well. There we go. We'll put your socks in there, love. So this is my first order, and I do ship internationally as well.